In this video, I will be showing you how to manually create your own sprites within Scratch. Pictured on your screen, you'll see a chrysalis, a caterpillar, and a butterfly that are associated with the Simple Cycle Animation Challenge within Scratch. Using the various sidebar features, I created each of these costumes in different ways. For example, using the text editor, I was able to name each of them. But for the caterpillar, I used the ellipse feature to create these circles, and then I used the color fill option to fill them with green. However, if I want to change the color, I could simply select a color on the bottom here. Let's say I go with teal. Then I could click within each circle to change the color. Similarly, if I wanted to change the pen color, I could simply click here on the paintbrush icon and then select a new color at the bottom, such as red, and I could give the caterpillar some spots, for instance. This isn't the best drawing, but you get the idea here. You can also use the erase feature, such as with this chrysalis image, to give a jagged appearance to the branch. Down on the bottom here, you'll see how you can change the width of the eraser. Lastly, you can center each of your costumes using the feature right here. You can change the location of the image. Additionally, you can invert the image using the button here, flip left right, or flip up down. And this might be applicable depending on how you initially drew the costume. In the next video, we will be importing the actual image to be used in the Cookie Clicker Challenge. Thank you for watching.